Well, hello there. So today's video is about Vivo's next flagship phone called Vivo NEX 5, which might launch this month. Recently, a seemingly official render of the flagship phone had appeared on Weibo, showing its design and an alleged launch month. It said the phone will launch this month, that is February. The Vivo NEX 3 launched back in September 2019 and NEX 4 didn't arrive as 4 is considered unlucky in China, so it's about time for NEX 5 to arrive. Having said that, we are not sure about this leak because we don't know the source. So as we like to call it, take this information with a grain of salt. However, if this leak does turn out to be accurate, then it's surely gonna be a very sleek looking phone. Reports have claimed that the Vivo NEX 5 will be a hybrid of Vivo X70 Pro Plus and iQOO 9 Pro. The front of the phone appears to carry a curved display panel with a center hole punch cutout for selfie camera. Also, the top and bottom bezels of the phone look symmetrical and all the physical buttons sit on the right hand side of the phone, with the power or lock key being placed below the volume buttons. As for display, it's rumored that the display will be Samsung E5 AMOLED LTPO 2.0 display that offers a Quad HD Plus resolution, display size of 7 or 6.78 inches and a 120Hz refresh rate. On the back, it comes with a broad rectangular housing somewhat similar to Vivo X70 Pro Plus, but with a circular camera module, where we can see 4 cameras. Also, the back panel seems to be made out of glass, but it's not glossy, looks like a matte finish, which I personally like. Even I prefer leather finish over glass just because it looks and feels good. Most importantly, the smudges will get reduced drastically, as against glass, which are more susceptible to collecting fingerprints and smudges. The back also has clear branding of Zeiss and 50MP GN1, which is the same sensor Google used in the Google Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. It is also the same sensor Vivo utilized in the Vivo X70 Pro Plus. There's also a periscope sensor which is rumored to have a 5x optical zoom support and an ultra-wide and a portrait lens. It's all but confirmed that Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip will power this phone along with 8 to 12 gigs of RAM and 256 and 512 gigs of storage. Furthermore, the device may pack a 5000 mAh battery that supports 80W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. So that's pretty much everything we know about this phone. Thank you for watching, and as always, catch you guys in the next one.